What are the best seed companies to buy your seeds from? That's what a lot of people ask, and there's tons and tons of seed companies out there. So I thought I would share with you guys some of my favorites. Hello, I'm Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. Welcome, gardening friends. It is the middle of the winter. It is January the 11th. So I'm inside looking at seeds. So I thought I would share my favorite seed companies with you. I will put the links to each of these companies as I go on the top of the screen and also in the description down below, so you can get to these companies very easily. Alright, let me get to the computer. I'm going to actually do this on the computer. Oh, I almost forgot. If you are interested in growing nutrient-dense food in an urban environment, you are in the right place. Make sure that you are subscribed and click that bell so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's go to the computer. Here we go. Okay, here's my first one. This is Ray over at Practice. He has a YouTube channel. In fact, down in here you can see his YouTube channel. And like I said, I'll put the link to his seed shop up here. And of course, you can click on his YouTube channel right there if you're not following his YouTube channel. But look at this in the top corner here. He's got his little doggy Rascal. And if you here's his home page. He's got a little search here. I'm going to do a search in each of these companies. I'll just search for tomato. So here we go. So here come up with some tomatoes. Ray actually has his own varieties of tomato. He's got Ray's Mule Team beefsteak, I think that would be. Can't read that because I didn't click on it yet. That's sold out already. And Ray's Praxis cherries that he has developed over the years. Ray moved out into the middle of nowhere so he could garden and live in peace. So he's got a great channel, lots of animals and lots of things going on. So if you haven't seen Ray yet, check out him and check out his garden. He's got seeds here. Lots of seeds, and his seeds are 55 cents a pack. Ray likes to stick it to the man. So yeah, look at his seeds. He's got some nice varieties. And one thing about Ray too is he is a gardener, and he's going to give you seeds that will be easy for you to grow. He's also got a seed giveaway. If you check out his YouTube channel, and he'll ship you seeds for free anywhere in the world. Just look at one of his most recent videos. He's got a video on how to get signed up for that. So love you, Ray. So let me see. I don't have these in any particular order, so I would just go. My next one here is Johnny's Selected Seeds. I've ordered from them before, and I like their seeds. I like their service and everything. I like to try and find most of my seeds in few companies as possible, so that I'm not paying for a whole lot of shipping costs. So you guys can just take a look and see. Like I said, I'll put the links to these as we go, and also in the description. So let me see here. I'm going to paste my tomato search in here. See what kind of tomatoes we come up with. Looks like we got a lot of tomatoes, because this is page 1 of 143. That must be the whole catalog. That can't be just tomatoes. Let's see. We'll click on page 2. Got a lot of tomatoes though. Don't you love looking at tomatoes in the middle of winter? Because you can't go to the grocery store. Look at that Cherokee Purple organic tomato seed. Nice, nice, nice. Lots of tomatoes. Green Zebra, that's an interesting one. Indigo Cherry Drops. That looks interesting. Lots of interesting seeds here. Alright, moving on. Let's see what we got next. Oh, this is one of my favorite companies, and one that you've probably heard about before. Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, or Heirloom Seeds, Rare Seeds. I think they go by Rare Seeds on their, actually on their website. Yeah, it's rareseeds.com is their store. So again, link will be up here. I got one of their catalogs right here. It doesn't look like there's one listed here though on the screen. I also love their packaging. Isn't that really cool? Their packaging has advertisements and vines and cucumbers and everything in their packaging. So I love that. Love their seeds, and they travel the world looking for seeds that are rare and nutritious, nutrient dense, I like to say. And so they bring these seeds back and make them available to us. So their catalog, let's search for tomatoes in theirs just for fun. All right. That's a cool looking tomato. Yellow-orange heirloom cherry tomato from Siberia. It's one of the earliest around. Produces 1-inch fruit. Some Paul Robeson tomato. Brad's Atomic Grape tomato. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Their favorite tomato, 75 days, elongated, large cherries in clusters. The color and flavor is a full-blown assault. Full-blown assault on the senses. Lavender and purple stripes turning to technicolor olive green, red and brown, blue stripes when fully ripe. Really wild. Fruit holds well on the vine or off, making this amazing variety a good candidate for market growers. Olive green interior is blushed with red when deep ripe. Crack-resistant fruit is extraordinarily sweet. Wispy foliage looks delicate, but belies these plants' rugged constitution and high productivity. This release from Wild Boar Farms won Best in Show at the 2017 National Heirloom Expo. These range in size from a large grape to plum size. Amazing. That really does look amazing. My wife always says, why don't you grow normal things? Well, I do grow normal things, but wild, interesting things are fun to grow too. I always like to have some interesting things in the garden every year. So these are a little pricey. It's $4.50 for a minimum seed count of 15. Oh, did I mention Ray's site, the first one, a Little Shop of Seeds? His seeds are 55 cents a pack, and he says he's giving a lot of seeds for that 55 cents. So anyways, alright, let's move on. Alright, here we go to MIgardener. Link up in the top here and in the description. Luke and crew are doing some amazing things. His channel is going crazy. And I just saw the other day that he's actually bought property that he's going to be able to grow his own seeds on. It looks like a nice property. He's just got to cut down a couple trees and be ready to go. So Luke, congratulations on that, and we look forward to seeing your seeds and what you're going to be producing there. He actually got a heirloom seed in a display box from a hardware store of a variety that was out of production, has been out of production, and like the variety had disappeared. And he was able to take that seed out of that box and get it to sprout. So he's actually growing those seeds, and I don't know if he's having any available yet to people, but it's a pretty amazing project. So go check out his YouTube channel too. Hopefully you can get to his YouTube channel and stuff in this website. But here we go. Let's search for tomato and see what Luke's got for tomatoes. I'm sure he's got a lot. His seeds are 99 cents a pack. And I have ordered from him. He's got good seeds and good customer service too, because one time he shipped me something wrong and I let him know and they fixed it right away. So the good thing is they fixed it. Not so good that they did it wrong, but I'm sure they're busy this time of year. But make sure you get your seed order in early, as soon as you can. Alright, it's got a tomato recipe book. That's an interesting looking tomato. Shiboyagan. Sounds like a Japanese tomato or something. Here's one that says it's very rare. Red centifor tomato. Champagne bubbles tomato, very rare. Orange currant tomato. Gobstopper tomato. Purple bumblebee tomato. Man, how do you pick when you have all these choices? If only $1 a pack, you might as well just pick them all, right? Alright, let's see. This is one I thought looked interesting too. The Federale tomato. Let's click on that. It's indeterminate. This West Virginia heirloom is a giant Pesa variety that produces high yields of 7-inch long banana-shaped fruits With its acidic and rich tomato flavor, this variety is delicious in salsas and heavy sauces, ideal for the home garden. That looks like an interesting one to try. Definitely not normal. Thanks for that, Luke. Appreciate it. Alright, moving on here. We got CaliKim. CaliKim has a great YouTube channel also. She's obviously Kim in California, and she's in the LA area. She has a great gardening blog, gardening channel on YouTube. Hopefully you can get to her channel here too. Oh yeah, she's got her blog listed here. And she does a lot of seed collections. Like here's a bean collection. Let's click on that to see what she's got in her bean collection here. Okay, beans are a no-brainer, super easy to grow. You'll be harvesting before you know it as they grow from seed to dinner plate in about 6 weeks. Your garden will pop with color with my personal selection of 5 packets of tasty, easy to grow bean varieties. Includes purple, green, and yellow bush and pole beans, gorgeous scarlet runner beans with bright red flowers. I need to get me some scarlet runner beans. Maybe I'll have to order one of those packs of that collection. Alright, and it's $7.95 for that collection of 5 packets, so that's a pretty good price too for that. So okay, let's look at what other collections she has real fast here. Bean collection, a pollinator collection, that would be cool season flowers. Got advertisements coming up here for other seed companies. Okay, more warm pollinator mix, fall gardens, heat tolerant greens, herb seed collection, kid seed collection, late summer garden seed collection, and lettuce seed collection, microgreen collection, pepper collection, heirloom, salsa collection, small space kitchen garden, spring garden, squash seeds, sunflower seed, tomato and pepper seeds, tomato collection. Oh yeah, she's got where you can get a hold of her here. She's got all her social medias down here at the bottom. So thanks, Kim. Love your channel. She does some awesome videos with lots of research and lots of showing you how it's done. Okay, and I couldn't show Kim without showing Gary. So let me show Gary. He's got a great YouTube channel too at the Rustic Garden. They do some Facebook things. Him and Kim do some Facebook things together. It's called Coast to Coast Gardening or something like that. And he's also got a seed shop. So he's got all his social media here too at the bottom, I believe. Saw that? Yeah. He's got all his social media down here at the bottom so you can get a hold of him. And I will put the link to his gardening channel up here at the top too. Let's see if we can. He's got a whole link here for tomatoes, so actually I'll do a search though. I've been searching everybody else's, so we're gonna search for tomato here. Here we go. Alright, tomato seeds. There's a Bradley, red currant, Porter heirloom, Marmande, how do you say that? Zebra. So he's got a lot of interesting varieties here too. Alright. Thanks, Gary. He also got some new property that he's just really been working hard setting up a lot of raised beds, getting his garden going. So make sure you check out his channel too. Alright. Well, I guess that's it. That's some of my favorite gardening companies. If you have any favorites you'd like to share with me, let me know. Put a comment down here with your favorite gardening company. And if you have any good or bad about these companies, give me a comment on that too. I will put on the left side of your screen a video that YouTube says you will like. And on my right side, I will put a link to my most popular videos. The first one I think is how to eat a peach, which is really weird why that's the #1 most popular video, but I won't question. So go ahead and watch those and let me know how you like this video. See you again real soon. Have a blessed day.